Moms, are you constantly feeling exhausted and burnt out? Forget the face mask, because today we will be diving into the world of insane self-care routines. This isn't your usual bubble bath, although that's great. This is about pushing the boundaries of pampering and creating a self-care experience that is unique and wild to you. Stick around, because I will share with you activities and treatment that might raise your eyebrows and leaving you feel like $1,000,000. I know that as a busy single mom, we struggle to find time to take care of ourselves because our schedule is so tight. There is little room for us to really give to self-care. Most times we have those days when our motivation feels like it is gone out of the tin here. But fret not, because I'm here to show you how you can implement some self-care routines into your life so that you can feel recharged and re-energized to take back full control over your life. Number 1 insane self-care routine. Fuel your day. Start your morning with a lovely smoothie. This fills with spinach, protein powder, and blueberries. This is very delicious and it helps you to feel re-energized throughout your day. It is quite easy and simple for you to do. It only takes 5 minutes or less to do so. So get your fuel from your smoothie each morning as a part of your self-care routine. Moving on to number 2 self-care routines. Make sure that throughout your day, take 10 minutes break. These 10 minutes break intervals will help you to stay calm and relaxed. You can do some stretches during the 10 minutes break. You can also use a guided meditation app just to relax your mind and body during the 10-minute sessions that you would have taken from whatever activity that you are doing. These small breaks really do help you to feel recharged and refocused when you go back to whatever task that is in front of you. Self-care routine that I am going into is to make sure that 1 hour before your bedtime, turn off all devices and also dim your lights. This will create an atmosphere that is calm and an atmosphere that will help to boost your sleep cycle, and you are able to go off to sleep much faster. So with an environment that is calm and also lights dim will help you to have much better quality sleep. Final tip, which is tip number 5, is to do some brisk walking for 30 minutes. Move from your desk or whatever task that you have been doing in front of you and take a brisk walk for only just 30 minutes. Why do you want to take this brisk walk for 30 minutes? Because you are embracing the natural light. This light will help to regulate your sleep cycle, and it also will help to boost your mood. So walk away from your task. It's only for 30 minutes. This will help you to feel much better. And coming back to your task, you will be more energized to take on and to solve the problem or problems that you have been faced with. And for those who have stayed with me until the very end, this is my bonus tip. Schedule your self-care routines in your calendar like an appointment. You have your dental appointment and you schedule your appointment in your calendar. This is the same thing that you are going to do for self-care. Self-care is very crucial. You cannot pour from a cup that is empty. If you want to be your best self, schedule your self-care routine into your calendar like an appointment. You can also do spa treatments, massage treatments. These are self-care activities that you can get done on a basis which is comfortable for you. This is an investment into yourself so that you can be the better person or the better version. And the key is to find what works for you and make it work. Clueless about starting your self-care routine, or if you don't know how to prioritize self-care, I want you to check out my video up top. It will teach you how to prioritize self-care. See you in that video.